Welcome to Real Internet Cash TV. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer, and in this short video, we getting straight to it. I'm gonna share with you how you can earn money from crypto without ever having to buy crypto. All right. But before I get into that, if you want to learn how you can start earning $50, $150, and even $300 commissions, be sure to check out the first link in the description of this video. All right, now, cryptocurrency is a super hot topic right now in the financial investing space, right? And I actually even bought some crypto. I actually have shares of VeChain and a lot of shares of Cardano, and right now Cardano is just pathetic. All right, but anyway, guess what? If you think about getting into crypto because you want to make money, there's another way. Well, I said other way. There's another way that you can earn a lot of money in the crypto space. All right, and that is by becoming an affiliate, right? There are several different cryptocurrency platforms out there where they will actually pay you for referring people to their platform, where these people can then learn about cryptocurrency, buy cryptocurrencies, and trade cryptocurrencies. All right. There is a lot of money being made just on the affiliate side of crypto. All right. And there's two sites that I'll link below that you can sign up with and become an affiliate marketer of today. All right. One is called Fin Ministry. All right. Now this is an affiliate program where you can earn up to $400 per referral. All right. Depending on what they do and what they trade and whatever. But you can earn up to $400 for sending one person to this site. All right. Another site that you can check out is called Crypto Hopper. Now this is another one where you can earn pretty nice commissions. Honestly, where you can earn up to 400, but you can earn pretty decent amount. Also, you can earn on the revenue share. So it's one of the things where you can keep earning as many times as your referral like makes any sort of transactions, you will always get paid for that, right? Which is really, really cool. So imagine, if you were signed up with, 2, 3 of these affiliate sites, even one good cryptocurrency site that you're an affiliate of, and you just promoted the hell out of it, right? You can make a lot of money. You could actually probably make more money than the people that's actually buying, crypto, right? Because right now, my crypto purchase is not paying off right now, all right? Hopefully that will turn around, all right? But a little bit of advice for you, if you're going to get into the crypto world and actually become an affiliate of it, take some time to really learn, the niche, learn about crypto, take a couple courses yourself, go to Udemy, maybe even join the crypto sites that you're going to promote, whatever, but know what you're promoting, because it is a competitive niche and it's a very profitable niche. So if I were you and you decide to jump into the affiliate crypto world, one of the best things you can do is start a YouTube channel based around crypto, whether it be, how to buy crypto, how to trade crypto, how to create a crypto account, what to look for in crypto, and just be able to produce a lot of content around crypto. Have your affiliate link in the description and you should be good to go. All right. So I will put the links in the description of this video. You can check those out. And again, if you want to learn how you can start earning $50 commissions, $150 commissions, and even $300 commissions, watch this video right here.